Okay, let us have the last example. What is the product of 2m plus 5 over 3m minus 6 multiplied by m squared plus m minus 6? The first thing that you're gonna do is to rewrite the second fraction into a rational expression that has a denominator of 1. So 2m plus 5 over 3m minus 6 times m squared plus m minus 6 over 1. So I'm gonna have some working solutions here. So 2m and 5, 2m plus 5, that's 2m and 5. We can no longer simplify that, so that's 2m and 5. That's why it's 2m. It is still 2m plus 5. So 2m plus 5. Let's have 3m minus 6. So 3m is 3 times m. Negative 6, you have to factor negative 6 in such a way that one of the factor is 3. So that way, negative 6 is a factor of 3 and negative 2. Common factor is here, so that's 3. And then bring down the rest, which is m minus 2. So which means this is 3m minus 2. Let's have m squared plus m minus 6. So you need to find the factors of c, which is negative 6. That is a sum of 1. So that is going to be positive 3 times negative 2. Sum of that is 1. So which means that m squared plus m minus 6, factors of m squared are m and m. Factors of negative 6, that will give us a sum of 1. That's plus 3 minus 2. So this is m plus 3 m minus 2 over 1. And you look at the things that you can cancel out there or common. This one are common, numerator and denominator. And that's it. So multiply the numerator and the numerator. Next, you have the denominator and denominator. So that's 3 times 1. So the final answer is 2m plus 5, m plus 3 all over 3. This is the simplified form. Okay, so you can try example or practice exercises number 3. And afterwards, you can start working on your classwork in your Math Excel, multiplication of radical expressions, and do not forget to turn in your notebook tomorrow.